Good morning, sir.
Very good morning to you all children. You all are ready?
Yes, sir.
Children, today we have to study about multiplication table in comparative mode. That is in English versus Hindi. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So today we will learn how to practice multiplication table, what you call pahara in Hindi, and multiplication table in English. In short term, in English people call it just a table. So practice it and learn. But before starting it, I would give you general instruction about today. Today is 26th of July 2020. Day is Sunday. Subject mathematics. Topic is comparative study of multiplication table in English and Hindi. It is applicable for class 1 to 5. Multiplication table. In English method of writing, it is written as under 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24, 3 9 ja 27, 3 10 ja 30. Now a question arises that it is written as 3 into 1 is equal to 3, and why is it read as 3 1 ja 3? The logic behind this is this that the viewer views it in groups. Understanding? As I had instructed you in pictorial form in previous class, so clear your idea, must watch its previous slide and practice it frequently. Next, about 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 ja 28, 4 8 ja 32, 4 9 ja 36, 4 10 ja 14. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35, 5 8 ja 40, 5 9 ja 45, 5 10 ja 50. This is English medium of writing multiplication table, and in Hindi medium the same table is practiced as under. दुक्का दू, दू दूनी 4, दू तिया 6, दू चौक 8, दू पचे 10, दू छक 12, दू सते 14, दो अटे 16, दो नमा 18, दो दाहें के 20. Difference is this, that it gives you pictorial impression, this practice, and this is just a calculative impression goes to your mind. This Hindi method gives just a calculative method in your mental frame, and this English method of writing gives you pictorial methods also, what had been instructed in its last slide. Must watch it. In Hindi में इसे लिखते हैं 3 का 3, 3 6, 3 तिया 9, 3 चौक 12, 3 पचे 15, 3 छक 18, 3 सते 21, 3 अटे 24, 3 मा 27, 3 दाएं 30. 4 का 4, 4 दूनी 8, 4 तिया 12, 4 चौक 16, 4 पचे 20, 4 छक 24, 4 सते 28, 4 अठे 32, 4 नमा 36, 4 दाएं के 40. 5 का 5, 5 दूनी 10, 5 तिया 15, 5 चौके 20, 50 25, 5 छक 30, 5 सते 35, 5 अठे 40, 5 नमा 45, 15 50. 6 का 6, 6 दूनी 12, 6 तिया 18, 6 चौक 24, 6 पचे 30, 6 छक 36, 6 सते 42, 6 अठे 48, 6 नमा 54, 6 दाएं के 60. Now, after studying both the ways of writing, we come on a common platform which can be written in less time and can be learned more in less time. That is technique to save time and learn more in less time. You make a graph like this. here mention table to this row, and then multiply by जिस का in हिंदी जिन अंकों का पहाड़ा लिखना है या टेबल लिखना है उसे यहाँ इस तरीके से सजा लें। जैसे 2 का लिखना है, 3 का, 4 का, 5 का, 6 का, 7 का, 8 का, 9 का, 10 का, 11 का, 12 का। जितने टाइम उसे हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उन डिजिट को ऐसे सजाएंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, जितनी बार, जिसको टाइम्स करते हैं इंग्लिश में और बार करते हैं हिंदी में। जैसे 2 को एक बार गुना किए, 2 एकम 2, 2 दूनी 4, 2 तिया 6, 2 चौके 8, 2 पंजे 10, 2 छक्का 12, 2 सते 14, 2 अठे 16, 2 नमा 18, 2 दहें के 20। In English you can practice 2 1 जा 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, 2 4 जा 8, 2 5 जा 10, 2 6 जा 12, 2 7 जा 14, 2 8 जा 16, 2 9 जा 18, 2 10 जा 20. In this way you can write and practice more and more multiplication table in very least time and in very least space. So in this way you can write up to 20 or 25. Today it has been adjusted as per the space only up to 12. So practice it. Now frequently how do you practice in class and how you have to learn it is shown by practice. In Hindi it is read as 2 का 2, 2 दूनी 4, 2 तिया 6, 2 चौका 8, 2 पचे 10, 2 छक्का 12, 2 से 14, 2 अठे 16, 2 नमा 18, 2 दहें के 20. In English you recite it 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, 2 4 जा 8, 2 5 जा 10, 2 6 जा 12, 2 7 जा 14, 2 8 जा 16, 2 9 जा 18, 2 10 जा 20. What's the difference? English medium takes little bit more time, but it gives you pictorial impression in your mind, and in Hindi medium we just get calculative impression in mind. But both are of their own importance. So we need to practice both so that we can solve the given questions very easily and comfortably. ये homework है. Find the missing numbers. जैसे यहाँ दिया हुआ है 4 + 4 + 4 + 4 equal to how many groups of 3. तो 3 बार यहाँ 4 को प्लस किया गया है, जिससे 4 तिया 12 हो रहा है, और उससे 3 का ग्रुप में कितना आएगा ये आपको लिखना है. 3 का कितना समूह बनेगा, ग्रुप मीन्स समूह. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, 4 groups of 6 equal to what? So you have to write 4 in 4 6 what will be there, you have to write here. And 4 groups of 5, 5 groups of 10, 4 into 5 is equal to how many groups of 5. You have to mention all this. Homework is rewrite and get it checked. In next class you will learn more and more multiplication table and through this very technique. And in multiplication you have to remember 2 things, that is one element is multiplicand and another is multiplier. This for example, if you multiply 5 by 2, that is 5 into 2, then 5 is a multiplicand and 2 is a multiplier and 10 is the product. So this is all about multiplication table. Must practice it and get it checked through not only your class teacher but also by your parents. I do hope so. Thank you very much. For next class, all the best.